Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.0 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download. It is rockylinux.was. Click on download or download, both are same. Then see here we have the versions 10, 9 and 8. 10 is the latest version, so select DVD, boot or minimal. Okay, whatever you want you can select. But in this video I am going to download DVD ISO. And see, this is the direct method, and if you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on this torrent DVD ISO. Okay, either the same. Okay, you can select either of them. I am going to download by using direct method. So click on DVD ISO. No need to register. See, download started. See here its size is about 7.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox. Then click on New or Machine. Then select New. Both are same to create new virtual machine. I'm giving This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Now select the downloaded Rocky Linux ISO image. Then go to downloads. See here I have the Rocky Linux 10.0 DVD ISO. Select it. See, once you select it, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, OS version as 64, Red Hat 64-bit. And select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then go to hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings or go to settings. The only option that I want to change is go to settings. Then in system we have to select USB tablet. Otherwise sometimes cursor will go to top left corner. Okay, so to avoid this one we have to select this USB tablet, that is pointing device option. Then click on OK. Then click on start. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start or right click and select start and start with the UI. Okay, so click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 10.0. Hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with must be configured. So click on installation destination. I will go with the default one. Then root account. See, by default it is selected. Disable root account. I want to enable it. Then set the password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Then allow root SSH login with password. It is up to you. Then click on done. User creation. I want to give user full name as Auto Schools, and this is a username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Then require a password to use this account. Then provide the password. Then confirm the same. Then click on done. Then for server we have to go to software. See, by default it has selected server UI, but if you want only server you have to select server. Otherwise, okay, and we have the different options, but in this video the purpose is server. Okay, but if you want server with UI you have to select this one. Then optionally you can select any one of these options, these features. Okay, whatever you want you can select. Then click on done. Now check the time and date or language support. We have different options. Time and I'm okay with this one, so click on done. If you are okay with all the settings, see here now we are able to click on begin installation. So click on begin installation. One more time, if you want to install server with GUI, you have to select this one, and if you want to install server, you have to select server. Okay, see here it has selected server. Then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. See, we got the login screen. Okay. Now we have to provide the login name. Either it may be root or you can provide the user that you have created. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully logged in. And also see here, we have connected to Rocky Linux Red Watch. Okay. Now you can also verify the same by running more/etc os-release. See, you got the same. Okay. So, the first step after connecting to Rocky Linux 10.0 server is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update -- sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this currently logged in user. Now type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is going to install 5 packages and upgrading 163 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.0 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.